Oh my god.
How am I going to be that?
Were there even D's in there?
Oh, yes. I need to touch all of them.
Then JJ's going to say something. I think JJ's best option is just brute. He's going to fight. It's literally just run. JJ, you ready?
Yeah.
You've got a very tough time to beat. 3, 2, 1. Go! He's off. He's off. He already ran into one. Sounds like you're smashing every damn door. The door sounds. Someone done the beats out Logan Paul. It seems like you hit every goal on the right one. He may actually die in this match. Is there food and water in there? Because he might run out.
Oh my god!
It's right there! It's right there! Hey, I would think he's tried every door at this point.
He thinks he's tried every door. Oh my god! I just kicked the door.
Right, hold on, stop the time. I mean, I'm technically stop the time, I don't have to know that. And okay, he's broken out. Wake up! No, almost there. Almost got it. There we go. 5 minutes 16.
Oh wow, okay.
No pay for you, I'm sorry.
Oh.
We should subtract 10 seconds for kicking down the door. That was funny. Yeah, that's alright. Let's give him 8 to our next. Who do you want to take next? We need someone smart. Nimble, yeah. Alright, let's go. Come on! I'm gonna go sneak stealth mode. I would go very far. 3, 2, 1. Go in! There we go. Go on, man. You're going the right way. Okay, now Big Star doing. He's the smartest of the side now. I'm worried for him. He's already passed through the side. Pressure is getting down to us. I'll look at the side now.
The things don't know where he is. I didn't see him. I didn't see them.
He might be starting. He might be getting.
¿Qué para nito?
He's getting gangbanged by 2 people. It wasn't awful. It wasn't great.
Big Star did it in exactly 1 minute 10. 1 minute 48 seconds versus 8 seconds. Chris, you can't possibly screw this up.
No one's saying it.
Okay? Literally, even if you tried, I believe you. I would have seen other people do it. How did you do it? You're right.
I'm ready.
You've only got to be 1 minute 48 seconds.
I think I can do it, maybe.
3, 2, 1. Go in. Here we go. I think he's in the middle.
Where did I go?
Oh my god, he's getting close.
Keep going, Craig, keep going. He's gonna find it.
Hold it! Catch the bee! The bee is making this really hard! I'm getting bee made! Where do I go? I can reveal the winner. What do you think happened? Take this to me. The next round is called Door Dash. The 2 members of each team must race through a series of doors. To progress, avoid the 3 solid wooden doors by finding the fake door. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! Oh my god! Throw yourself, Josh! Come on, Chris!
We won it!
Ako naman nag-vote. He pushed him through, but he won. That's right. I was just in war.
Ano sa'yo na nagkuhan ka na?
Real war. I say this to go.
That was fun. It was like down the direction I need. I was just like, I'm still winning. It doesn't matter. Look at me trying to lose.
What the hell?
Nolan, don't mess up or you're off the channel. 3, 2, 1, go! Nolan's a genius.
Galing mo. May tissue ka nga diba?
No one got 3 in a row. He's amazing. You can't beat me. I'm a Fall Guys champion. Well,
You just went through every right door.
You got 4 doors in a row.
I didn't even get to a door before you came
You're
in.
being embarrassed on your own channel.
Our strategy was I was like, yo, you spearhead, I'll just let you know if you messed up or not.
I didn't mess up.
You didn't mess up. You didn't mess up.
You just got
Oh, that was embarrassing.
I they spent $500,000 on this video just for us to come in here and try.
Like, how did you win into this, for example?
To me, it just looks slightly different. Okay, so Nolan came in first? Yes. Who came in second? That's what I was asking. I was so focused on Nolan. I'm gonna say
Ano na?
not even a competition. Come on! Come on! There's nothing we can do that. There's nothing. Surprise, surprise, the winner of that round, Team Beast. There you go. That was a great product.
We win!
I hit it, you know?
We win those. I'm actually embarrassed.
Yeah, I'm shaking.
It's alright, we go again.
Daw, vlog. Adi pa.
Two members from each team must race through the course on mini tracks and take on the opponent. And the first team to complete a whole lap wins.
Go, here we go, here we go.
Oh!
Go!
Carry those bananas all day for that joke.
Dude, he got caught by the banana!
It slowed him down. He won 1 second. Go, Taylor!
Oh wait, the round.
Oh, dude, there's no way, Nolan.
I can't get up the hill!
Just walk up it.
Can we go push them?
What did you do over there, bro? He's not touching his feet to the ground.
Wait,
Josh, he's coming!
should we get help?
One person got. One person got.
Go. Jump on the fuck up, you're the bike down the bike!
Dude, this is like a fight right now.
Go!
Oh my god, this is chaos.
We put together an expensive set for this set.
Puturo na ito.
We're not going against someone person. Oh no! Off the bridge! Wait, the bridge is I can't do anything! I've got no handlebars anymore! Wait, why does it look like Josh, help! Josh!
Sira yan.
Simon, you need to ride it out! We catch up!
Nolan, you're way ahead.
Maupi nga nin. Orderan sa kanina. Barato na.
This is much harder than it looks! Oh my god! Who's pulling up there? Come on!
The best. Now it's time to go.
What just got through? Nolan, keep going!
I'm tired. You're the only one still doing anything.
Push me up! My middle name is Speed! Out of my ball! Simon, go to Charles! Go to Simon! Simon, go! Oh, there you go! Yes!
Let's go.
Yes!
Cross the finish line.
Push it up!
Cross the finish line.
What is this?
No, he made it.
Oh, he fell across the finish line.
Yeah! Harry, what the fuck? What are you doing? Harry, take this!
Just one lap.
Take my mic. To where? To the
I hope it's one lap.
Wait, is Chandler gonna
I'll
make
push you up.
You got this, Chandler.
Come on,
push it!
If you finish, we'll get more points. Just finish.
Help me!
Chandler, you got it.
Lean back a little bit. Okay, it's Chandler! No, push. Fucking hell, he's on me. Push. Yes. Nolan, help him!
Chandler, he's on you.
Come on, Harry, shit.
No. Let him do it.
Come on.
Hey, no one helping.
Go!
Get over there.
I'm trying. Pedal. I can't do it. Harry, come on. Chandler, go. Get it. Harry, come on. That wasn't even trying to. Quick. Go. Harry, we need this. Push him up. Harry, go. Who's going? That was the photo finish.
You have to take it back to the tape. Oh, we won! I think we won! Oh my God! That was the slowest photo finish I've seen in my life.
I said we clocked up as a tie and do one more round.
By the way, do we have more bites? This is cooked. We need someone lightweight on the next one.
The people that assembled this forgot the screws. Alright, it's only been 2 seconds since the last race. Switching up bigger cars because the other ones fell apart.
The bites.
Harry just kept sitting.
Isang Rio ko mga discount.
Go, Josh! Go! We practiced this!
Hindi ko.
Go, Josh! Come on!
Rampan na, rampan mulay.
They're coming all around. Go, cock block!
Rubber band.
I just ran the
Oh my God!
better not blow this first 3. Take it, fight. No! That's gotta be.
Come on, fight for it!
Where do I go? Hey, Carlos, get on the pipe! Oh my God, you're Carlos didn't win this video.
It's no time!
Go! Jesus Christ.
My wheel sideways!
It's blocking the grid.
Well, it's still going. I thought it was done. Look, Jesus, me! The wheel! Take the wheel! The wheel sideways! So Josh is finished.
Josh got through that.
Josh is finished.
Yeah, Josh didn't call her. Oh, okay.
Wait, how are we ahead?
No, you're not.
He's cutting corners.
It took us a 2.
Yeah, we're ahead.
Oh, he did?
We're ahead.
Hey, G!
We have to run that back.
And the winner of that round, Team Mr. Beast.
Let's go!
I did it for my squad.
Bald Eagle story.
Maybe America is better.
Oh,
Hey. I'm cheering. Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, you'll get us more cups, that's fine.
This fourth round is called grip right.
You have to catch the ball and score a touchdown at the fastest time possible. Not getting called by the other team.
The team with the fastest total time wins.
Oh, do it for America!
Hey, when you hit a touchdown, hit that grid.
I would pay to see. Oh, hit a gritty.
We're going no hands. We're going no hands.
You're no hands. Oh, no, that's fair. Is that disrespect?
We're going no arms. That's how confident we are.
Carl loses, and that's the element.
Don't drop it.
Go, Carl! Oh, Steve! Hey, shut
I think he was out of bounds. He was out of bounds. No shot! No shot! It's a touchdown.
Let's go.
Laser beam is idiot because he definitely stepped out with
Kaya
4
naman dali
times.
kita tanggalin.
Turtle stuck. Everybody make fun of that turtle.
Hey, it's pile on.
Do you want to say goodbye to it?
Ang masang gati ay.
It's like you get JJ in the middle of that. He's done cool.
I think he just
going to breeze through. I'm like, they're going to stop the breeze.
How long do you guys think it's